Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Brother P-Touch PT-N10, which stands out as one of the best label makers for basic printing needs. Whether you're organizing your home, office, or dorm room, this handheld device promises to simplify your labeling game with its portability and ease of use. Right out of the box, the PT-N10 impresses with its compact design and battery operation, making it perfect for on-the-go labeling without the hassle of cords or complicated setups. It runs on 6 AAA batteries, so you have the freedom to use it anywhere, whether at home, school, or while traveling. One of the highlights of this label maker is its exclusive use of Brother P-Touch BTAG label tapes. These tapes measure about ½ an inch wide and come in a variety of 17 colorful options. They feature split, easy peel backings that allow for quick application and damage-free removal, making your labeling neat and hassle-free. Typing on the PT-N10 is straightforward thanks to its full QWERTY keyboard, which provides a familiar and comfortable typing experience. The device comes preloaded with 3 fonts, 6 font styles, including underline and italic, along with 10 frame options and 200 symbols, giving you a good range of customization. You can print up to 2 lines of text per label with a combined height of 7 mm, which is perfect for clear, legible labels. A small monochrome display screen helps you preview your text and check the tape length before printing, which minimizes mistakes and wasted labels. Plus, the PT-N10 can save up to 10 labels in its memory for quick reprinting of your most frequently used or favorite labels. Printing speed is decent at 9 mm per second, and the built-in cutter delivers smooth, clean edges every time, making your labels look professional without extra effort. This all-in-one creation, printing, and cutting process is designed to be quick and fun, so even if you're new to labeling, you'll find it easy to use. While it doesn't have Bluetooth or mobile app compatibility, it shines as a simple, dedicated label maker focused on delivering quality labels efficiently. It uses thermal printing technology, which means no ink cartridges or ribbons to worry about, just reliable printing whenever you need it. Priced affordably, the Brother P-Touch PT-N10 is a great choice for anyone needing a portable, user-friendly device to organize belongings, create reminders, or add a splash of creativity with colorful labels. If you want a no-fuss label maker that gets the basics right and adds a bit of personality to your labels, the PT-N10 is worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward product reviews.